After we're done with this, you're going to your mom.
Really?
I work full time. I take care of 2 kids, and you got cops out here out of my house and that one in the yard. What are you thinking?
You let me talk, please.
Incident retail employee fraud transaction void scheme. Location Sarasota County, Florida. Agency Sarasota County Sheriff's Office.
Hello. Hi, I'm Jim.
I'm Andrew.
I'm the loss prevention manager for Dollar General. So, this is a high shrink store for us. We just had an inventory.
I figured.
So I'm required to come in here about every 60, 90 days to an audit. I've been out the last 6 weeks. I had hip replacement, so I was just here last week, and we found a situation.
Employee?
One of the associates.
Okay.
She's been doing transaction voids, allowing people to go through the self-checkout, and then allowing them to leave with merchandise after she voids it out.
Okay.
Okay?
Is she getting anything?
She says she's not. She says it's just a friend that she's trying to help out that she feels that he's taking advantage of her of.
So there's someone else involved?
Yeah, she has a couple of children. She is married. She has admitted to $10,000.
Over what time?
The last 9 months since she's been here. Now, that's all I have since June that I can prove.
Okay.
What I don't have is because this just got dropped on me a couple hours ago. I don't have all the video that corresponds with these dollar amounts, but we can get that and burn that. So you have all the video that corresponds with these dates and times.
Yeah.
So all these transactions, everything is highlighted. This is for you. That's for
So hold on.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So
At that time, 2232 for $424.93.
okay.
So just in the course of these 4 days, about $1,000.
So you've gone through and highlighted the ones that are involving her.
Yeah, the store manager's validated.
Verified?
He's verified them on video. She's been very cooperative.
How did she get caught?
So last week when I was here, I was explaining the importance, because the store manager's only been here about 4 weeks. So he started going back and started looking at them. And he couldn't believe what he found after we just got done talking to us. So he started going back and digging since he got here.
Can I get the manager who verified on video? Is he working?
Yeah.
Can I get him to? Yes. Hi. So these highlighted ones you verified.
A majority of them, because I did them yesterday. I went through all of them.
Okay.
It's just today I had to remake it, so because I didn't want them to see it, and so I highlighted. I'll need to go through it again, double check.
Okay.
But most of them they should be right because they're all the same time frame. You know, because it's always at 2200.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
and then what are you seeing on the video? Are you
Sure.
seeing the same individual?
Same individual. Yep. Guy will come in at night and go through the self checkout. She'll be in tandem with them. Void out the transaction, take the cart, walk out with it.
Okay. Can I get you to write a statement? I'll grab one of our statement forms and just indicating that once you were made aware of this, you reviewed video, you verified by reviewing the video. This is a current total, so I know there could be more down the line here. I'm going to grab a statement form.
Sounds good.
The fact that someone else is involved, I don't know. That's going to be something where our detectives want to
investigate a little bit.
investigate more before. So,
Yeah.
you guys cool with that?
Yeah. Yep.
This is not a quick.
However you want to handle it.
I know you're already deep into it, so you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to my car.
No problem. And then we can show you one of the videos too once we get everything wrapped up, so you can see what.
Yeah, I should probably look at one of them.
Yep.
Okay. Jessica, hi. I'm Officer Belzer.
Can I close this?
Sure.
Or do you want?
Do you want to? Do you want to hang out here, sir?
Yeah, I can do that.
So,
Yes.
you know why I'm here.
Yep.
I'm just gonna tell you right off the bat. I don't know how this will play out.
Okay.
As far as is this going to be a larger investigation that our detectives will handle, or this is something that I'm going to be arresting you, taking you to jail tonight?
I
Okay.
prefer not the latter, but
Okay. So, having that in mind,
okay.
your cooperation is important, obviously. And it seems like you've been cooperative so far.
Yes, sir.
You're not under arrest at this time.
I'd like to not be under arrest if possible.
Okay. And I saw you wrote a statement that was on your own.
Yes.
Okay.
I was not forced to. It was completely of my own free will.
Okay. So, before I go any further in my investigation,
Yes, sir.
even though you're not under arrest, I'm going to read you your rights.
Okay.
Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk?
Oh, to revoke my cooperation now is only going to make it look bad, so yes.
Okay. How long have you worked here?
The company or the store particularly?
This store.
Jim was saying, I think, 9 months.
Okay. And what is your position here?
Assistant store manager.
At any time, have you stolen anything from the store or acted in a way to allow someone else to receive goods, services from this store?
Obviously, the latter is why you're here.
Okay. So, can you explain to me?
Unfortunately,
What
to
you-
my bleeding heart generosity for this person that's claiming to have been my friend and I'm like an adopted sister, I regretfully aborted transactions on the self-checkout for him and let him have it. Which is now costing me my job and putting my family in jeopardy because I was being concerned about somebody else.
Do you know how many times this occurred?
No, sir, I
Okay.
don't have a
How
specific
about,
number.
do you know when it started?
I think the furthest back Jim told me he had was like August.
So you think this started in August?
Yes, sir. I believe he's correct. I have paperwork. I just have a memory.
About how many times a week?
At least 2 times a week, maybe.
Okay. How was this arrangement set in place? Did you know they were coming to the store?
He was here almost every day I worked, under the guise of wanting to help me.
He wa-
Help me work around the store. And
When would you know to abort the transaction? Did he ask you? Did he talk to you? Did he
He
send
asked
you a
me.
message?
he would ask me,
Okay. What would he say to you?
hey, can you help me out with this? And I should have just said no.
Did you ever get anything in return from him?
No.
Did you ever abort a transaction that you kept for yourself?
No, sir.
Okay. So in the course of this, you never received anything in exchange for what you were doing. Do you want to identify this individual?
Do I have to identify him? I mean, you have his face plastered all over the camera right there.
This is part of the cooperating with us. And
Gotcha.
look, the course of where this goes
To help.
is going to depend on the information you're providing,
Yes, sir.
because this isn't as simple as you're taking something out of the store. Even though you didn't retain anything,
I still assisted in it.
and there's 2 people involved here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Whatever I can do to help you.
It's only
me from having
gonna.
me
I'm
not having to
not
walk.
saying you're not gonna be in trouble.
No, I know I'm going to be in trouble. Just to save
But-
me from having to be arrested is what I would like to avoid right now. I don't want to
Okay.
walk out here in cuffs. I
Yeah.
don't want you guys to have to escort me.
Well, I
was just-
can't guarantee that either. But you know, the more information I have, we can be in to help you out in that way. But
Same as Gene.
can you describe him?
6 foot something, 200 plus pounds, white male, balding. Also, if you happen to find him, because, like I said, under the guise of him being my friend, you can also give that back to him. He asked me to hold it.
Okay. Well, I don't want to be in possession of that.
I don't want it either, because if I'm never going to see him again, I don't want to keep it.
Well, you 2 have an established relationship, so I'll let that property remain with you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you swear and affirm that this statement is true and accurate to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're signed. All right. What we're gonna do as much investigation as I can with the information that we have now.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask that you continue to verify those transactions.
Yep.
So we know the full extent of it.
Yep.
Because it's basically an ongoing scheme, and it has occurred previous months. I'm going to do as much as I can with what you have now.
All right.
I'm going to send it to our criminal investigations, so I'm not hauling her away in cuffs today.
That's fine.
And I'm going to talk to her to tell her, look, when the detective comes and talks to you, she needs to continue what she's doing. She can't.
As I told her from the beginning, I go, look, he's got to be cooperative.
And it seems, I have no reason, you guys tell me if it's any different.
Yep.
This is going to be the best route to go because
Yep.
if the dollar amount keeps going up, it could change
Yeah.
the charge. I don't want to prematurely take action, grab that guy, interview him, as patrol, like,
Sure.
does that sound
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
reasonable?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Who am I here for?
Just even now.
Him? I move my car. Stop. I gotta move my car. I just have to. No, it's the guy right inside. Gene? Are you Gene? Can you come over here so I can talk to you?
I guess I'm getting arrested because I don't even know what I did at Dollar General.
Okay. Do you have any ID on you?
Yes. I said, I'm getting arrested.
Are you talking to me or talking to the person on the phone?
I'm talking to the person on the phone. I'm talking to my mother.
Okay, do you mind talking to me first?
I'll call you back. Okay.
I was here earlier.
Yes.
You are suspected in several thefts.
How was I expecting a theft? I don't remember. I'm not aware of stealing anything because everything I know I get, I pay for.
Okay.
Like I just bought 3 loaves of bread.
Tonight?
Tonight, I have the receipt in the bag.
Okay. I'm not accusing you of anything right now,
Okay.
but previously.
I don't recall doing anything.
Okay. Do you know any of the workers here?
I know Jess. Actually, I know basically everybody that works here.
Here's the deal. I'm not arresting you.
Okay.
You are suspected in several thefts.
Okay.
It is being investigated.
Okay.
They do want to pursue charges.
Okay. I'm
They-
trespassed from coming in the store.
They don't want you here for a year.
Okay,
So
can I,
on their behalf, I'm issuing you a trespass right now.
okay, can I at least go in there and get my bread that I
Yeah,
got?
we'll let you take your bread that you paid for. All right. So here's the other thing. A detective is probably going to want to talk to you.
Okay.
So you told me you haven't done anything.
Not that I'm aware of, because I know
Okay.
everything. I have food stamps, and I work daily jobs, and I get
Okay.
paid for my daily job.
Okay. So if a detective wants to talk to you, how do they reach you? So
I can give you my
clarify
phone
this.
number.
Okay. What's your phone number?
Honestly, my honest opinion, I don't like you guys. I hate you guys with a passion.
A lot of people do.
So just keep in mind.
Don't come on the property. Don't go
No. We already talked about that. Okay. So when a detective comes to talk to you, it would benefit you ultimately to talk to them. Okay. I know you don't want to talk to me right now. You don't like the police.
6197.
I will do that.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I do not, officer.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You're free to go. All right.
Thanks, man. Take care of yourself.
Charge scheme to defraud, felony, loss, $10,000 plus 9 months. Loss prevention manager briefing responding officer. She's been doing transaction voids, letting a subject go through self-checkout, voiding the transaction, and walk out with the merchandise. She has admitted to $10,000 in loss over the last 9 months. That's what I can prove since June. The guy comes in at night. She voids the transaction in tandem with him, takes the cart, and they walk out. The store manager has verified all highlighted transactions on video. He is prepared to write a statement. Officer contacts subject Jessica, assistant store manager. You're not under arrest at this time, but before I go further, I'm going to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, an attorney will be appointed to represent you. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? Jessica, I wrote my statement on my own, completely of my own free will. To revoke my cooperation now would only make things look bad, so yes. Officer, what is your position here? Jessica, assistant store manager. I regretfully voided transactions on the self-checkout for him and let him have the merchandise. It's costing me my job. At least 2 times a week since August. He would ask me, and I should have just said no. Officer, did you ever receive anything in return? Jessica, no. Officer, even though you retained nothing, you still assisted in this scheme. There are 2 people involved here. The course of where this goes depends entirely on the information you provide. Officer, Do you swear and affirm this statement is true and accurate to the best of your knowledge? Jessica. Yes, sir. Officer, investigative decision. This is an ongoing scheme spanning multiple months. I'm referring this to criminal investigations. I'm not arresting her today. If the dollar amount keeps going up, it could change the charge. I want to interview the co-conspirator first. Officer to suspected co-conspirator Jean. You are suspected in several thefts. Charges are being pursued. I am issuing you a formal trespass 1 year, this property. A detective will want to talk to you. It would benefit you to cooperate.
What happened?
No idea.
Is it because of my former job?
It's scheme to defraud warrant.
It's
So you have a warrant. Okay.
Wait,
what?
she has 2 kids in the back.
Okay.
Wait, what's going on?
Like I said, we can do this over here as long as she cooperates.
Okay, wait.
All right.
Wait, slow down.
I'll explain it to you in a second.
Please.
Okay. So just give me a second. If we
That's
want to do this over
that's
here.
their mom.
Okay, I understand. We'll do this over here. Okay. And I'll explain it to you here in a second.
Hold on.
All right. Hang on over there. I got one more thing that's up with you.
Are you kidding me?
30 seconds, one second.
So you know what this is about then?
Yes.
I told you to be honest with me.
I didn't know how to tell you without you being mad at me.
Tell me what?
Did I help somebody
What
and it
the
cost a job?
What are you doing?
Here's the thing. I don't know what the case entails,
Bro,
but
she got-
it's a scheme to defraud. That's
Okay.
all I know. All I know is what the charge is. I don't know what the case entails or the specifics like that. She can probably tell you more than I could. So
You was told you wasn't gonna. Okay, what the is this secret bullshit you got running, bro? With 2 kids here, I'm running a company, and you do what? What in God's name is happening right
you
now?
guys are gonna have to get it worked out at some point. What are we gonna do with the children? Are you guys together?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
man, for 9 years, bro. What the stupid
Hey,
doing?
are these both of your guys' kids?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So they're biological kids. So
Yes.
no
Yes,
issue
yes,
watching them.
biological, man. Hang on, so where are you guys gonna take her?
To the SSO jail, Sarasota County Sheriff's Office.
Wait, what?
Yeah, why you think you in handcuffs? To not
I
go
was
to jail?
told that I was not going to be arrested if I was cooperative, and I have been nothing
You have an
but.
active warrant, so apparently at some point you
I-
might have not been cooperative.
I
don't
didn't know I had an active
She
warrant.
worked as the manager of the store though.
Okay.
So I don't know any of this weird shady shit that's happening right here. Look, military family, law enforcement family. What
I
are you
wanted
doing?
I wanted to handle this before it. Really,
Handle it how? By not saying
I wanted to get it taken care of so you didn't have to get involved.
What the these dudes out here ain't shit, bro.
Hey,
I
listen,
know.
I gotta
doing?
confirm the warrant too. So like I said,
Please
just
do it.
give me a second
Please
if
do
you want
what you
to
can,
hang
bro.
out with the kids.
She
I'll
got
give you a
2
chance
kids,
to talk
man.
to her before we leave. Okay.
Is it nothing that you can do?
There's an active warrant signed by a judge. There's nothing I can do. I can take her to jail and then maybe they can release her depending on what the bond is. I don't know what that bond is.
What am I gonna tell my what am I gonna tell my family now? What am I gonna say?
That I'm a idiot.
What the are you doing? Let me go get the kids inside, bro. Because I don't
Okay.
even.
I'm gonna keep her over. I'm gonna be here for a minute, so I'll absolutely give you a chance to talk to her. Okay. So just do what you gotta do with the kids. I'll be out here.
I will.
Hey, I'm stand up here real quick.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
I don't
are.
want to go.
I don't care.
Don't do this.
After we're
Please.
done with this, you're
Please.
going to your mom.
Listen.
I'm running a business. I'm running a business.
really-
I work full time. I take care of 2 kids, and you got cops out here out of my house. I bought you that vehicle. I have mine and that one in the yard. What are you thinking?
Dude, let me talk. Please.
Go ahead.
What are you thinking? I'm not doing the fake.
I'm not trying
Well,
to fake
Casper
with you. I
actually
just,
has a physical
And now
copy
I'm
of
gonna
it.
have
It's
to
been
waste
confirmed.
time to go down to a
There's a
jail
photo that just came out
and
today.
do what? What's your mom's number, bruh?
why do you want my mom?
Because you
I'm
got-
not going to stay with my mother.
What? No. What is your mom number?
Why do you need my mother? Please. I made a mistake and I didn't tell you.
This is a mistake,
Stand up
bruh.
here. I'm gonna double check it.
3 cars outside of my house and it's a mistake. How did you have them out? We're already here. You returned something you wasn't supposed to, and then gave him the money from it.
The detective told me, the one that's investigating said that he wasn't going to arrest me.
All right, so there's an active warrant in the system.
I gained nothing from it. I was just trying to help somebody out and it backfired
It's
massively.
probably the overall scheme then. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know the specifics about the case. I never read the PCA, but that's what the arrest warrant's for.
I could have had this fixed if you said something.
I didn't know.
I'm sure she's got a lot of explaining to do, but that's between you guys.
I'm not hearing anything, bro. I'm done with that.
So, but the detective told her that he wouldn't write the warrant as long as she cooperated.
Yeah, she was probably afraid to tell me anything.
It is a felony, so I mean it's over $10,000 in product or whatever. So
$10,000 in product.
Yep. So
are you kidding
over
me?
$10,000 total. I don't know if that's product and cash or whatever, or how that's split up, but it's over $10,000 total. So you want the number to the jail?
Yes, please.
You can just Google that, but
okay.
I don't know what her bond's going to be yet. But once, like I said, once she gets processed in, she can make a phone call. I mean, I can look it up right now and see if there is a bond on there, if that'll help. So let me see if I can find it. Okay, so the bond's only $1,500, so it's $150 to bond her out.
Okay, I have that.
So.
Can I bond her out now? Okay.
As soon as she gets processed in.
Okay.
You can call the jail and let her know, give them her information.
Okay.
And they'll let you know how to handle that.
3 vehicles, a house, 2 kids. I work all the time.
I wish I could explain it to you better, but that's all I got for you.
God couldn't even explain it to us, bro. It's all good. Y'all take care, man.
She's like, I don't know.
It's all good.
Hey, best of luck to you. I'm sorry the kids had to be out there. I try to do it away from them.
I have no feelings, but thanks for being professional, man. My name is James, bro. What's your name?
Brian.
Brian? All right, thank you. All right, I'll be down there in an hour.
Okay. All right.
Officer, later that night, at subject's residence, there is an active arrest warrant signed by a judge scheme to defraud. There is nothing I can do. I have to take her to jail. Jessica. The detective told me he wasn't going to arrest me as long as I cooperated. Officer, that warrant was apparently issued at some point. Cooperation or not an active warrant requires arrest. It is a felony. It's over $2,000 in product. Husband, $10,000. Are you serious? Officer, yes, $10,000 plus in product. Felony charge. Officer check system. Bond is $1,500, so $150 through a bondsman. As soon as she's processed, call the jail to arrange it. Final charge. Scheme to defraud. Felony.